Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. On June 12th, the Jamaica Stock Exchange Micro Market Technical Working Committee held their first meeting to outline the terms of reference for the third layer of the stock exchange. The main market launched in 1969, then saw a second layer in 2009, the junior market, to accommodate companies with a value of $50 million to $499.99 million. Now the micro market is gearing up to fill the gap for companies seeking to raise between $10 million and $49.99 million. The Micro Market Initiative, approved by Minister of Finance Mrs. Favour Williams, is expected to launch in April 2026. Two listed companies reported results this week. KLE Group Limited unaudited financials for the first quarter ending March 31, 2025 reports 3 months net loss of $3.34 million. Medical Disposable and Supplies Limited audited financials for the 12 months ending March 31, 2025 reports year-end net loss of $281.06 million. Companies listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange have advised shareholders of the executives buying and selling company shares. Jamaican Teas Limited has advised that a director sold a total of 561,718 Jam Tea shares during the period June 9 to June 11, 2025. Then JMMB Group Limited has advised that a connected party sold 200,000 JMMB shares on June 10, 2025. For the trading period ending June 12, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll Road Manager Trans Jamaica Highway Limited with 7,465,159 units traded, representing 40.48% of market sales volume. Billboard and real estate firm Kintyre Holdings Jamaica Limited with 3,489,246 units traded, representing 18.92% of market sales volume. Cigarette distributor Carreras Limited with 1,709,794 units traded, representing 9.27% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On June 12, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $84.92 million purchased and US $73.87 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned 87 cents per dollar, selling the US at 159.60 cents and buying the US at $158.73. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.23 per transaction, with selling at $118.12 and buying at $116.89. The British pound yielded Forex traders 95 cents in profits, with selling at $216.62 and buying at $215.67. For our credit report tip of the day, this isn't time to play small with your finances. If you're 50 or older, your credit score can do more than approve you for a loan. It can position you for a strong, secure, and income-producing retirement. The next 15 years should be about making your credit work just as hard as you do to support your health, generate passive income, and protect your future. So here's your next move. Pull up your credit report, map your 15-year plan, and work with someone who knows how to turn credit into cash flow. Retirement isn't an end, it's a new income era. Let's plan it smart, let's build it bold. When you're building something from nothing and you're going from recovery to financial resilience, for professional women over the age of 45 facing financial recovery and health challenges, guess what? you've rebuilt before. This time it's about building smarter and stronger. For women over 45, financial recovery isn't just about catching up, it's about creating a lifestyle that supports your health, respects your time, and grows your income. You're not trying to keep up, you're aligning your next moves with your priorities. So here's a roadmap for your consideration. Create a personal prosperity checklist where you write down 5 daily or weekly actions that keep you aligned with financial wellness, and review every Sunday. Also use a visual financial tracker where you print or use a digital tracker that visually shows debt payoff, savings, or income milestones to stay motivated. Next, host a monthly cash flow review session where you set aside 1 day each month to review income, expenses, wins, and where you can trim or grow. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Janice Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.